I lost my home, now what? Losing your home is a devastating and overwhelming process. The extreme stress of not knowing what to do and where to go is scary, but knowing that there are people who care and can truly help will make you feel better. HPP Cares of Southern California is here to help you get through this tough time. We can help you as you transition and recover from your loss by discussing new living arrangements, as well as giving you the information you need about your mortgage and how the collection process will unfold in the event you have additional liens like that of a second or third mortgage. We can help you with contact information on discounted moving tools such as storage units, boxes, and moving trucks, along with alternative options for shelter, food, clothing, medication, and clinics. If you need to move quickly and have furniture to donate, we can help by scheduling a pickup or a drop-off, so you won't have to worry about rushing to move everything all at once. We also map out an action plan so that you are not caught off guard in the event that the sheriff comes to have you vacate the premises. We are your industry experts in helping you get your game plan together and ensure that you are not left to squalor. We care at HPP Cares, and although the world may seem as if it's crumbling down on you and you feel that you have failed, you have not. You need to reach out to our HUD-approved foreclosure counselors for guidance and education so that you can exit with dignity. Now let's remember this is in fact a partnership, and in order to reach the goal, we must work together. To find out how HPP Cares can help you, call 562-424-4HPP. That is 562-424-4477, or visit us online at hppcares.org to learn about our resources and services, or register for our free bi-monthly workshop and one-on-one counseling session. HPP Cares services are free. This is Sade, and I care. We promise to respect your privacy. We will never sell, distribute, or allow any outside access to your personal information. The information you provide to us is confidential and will be used to help you and only you. We strictly enforce an ironclad privacy policy.